Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Darya Karenski. I'm a United States-based professional textile and surface pattern designer and artist, both traditional and digital. The information I will be sharing with you on this channel is based on a combination of my college education. I majored in textiles at University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth, with lots of hands-on textile activities and over 6 years of experience as an in-house and freelance textile and surface pattern designer, product development designer for apparel, home decor and stationery. Plus, I'm super passionate about textiles, repeats, color and making artwork. I work with watercolor, ink, gouache, vector and raster artwork in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. I have dipped my toes in Procreate as well. I have tried it all, you guys, and I have currently landed on watercolor and ink drawn repeating patterns and illustration. Rest assured, we will also talk about vector, raster, indexed files in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, traditional hands-on textile techniques, weaving, dyeing, screen printing, watercolor painting, and the ins and outs of textile designer job and life, mental health, inspiration, motivation, and more. Visit my website to see my artwork at daryakarensky.com. Also visit my shop, patterntalent.com, where you can see some of my silk scarves and other products. Find me on all major social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram, pattern_talent. Remember, patterns are everywhere, color is everywhere, artwork is everywhere, and textiles are everywhere. I'm so excited to have you here on my channel. Thank you so much. Subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you do not miss any new videos. My alter ego totally rocking this silk scarf look, don't you agree?